What's up, my people? Welcome back to the channel. So, I have some things I'm gonna share with you guys, my people. Me nah lie. GX, the man I feel the pressure, my people. You know what I mean? This song when say holding on the pressure. That the song the GX I sing right now, my people. Me I tell her Rosealee I deal with the man wicked and the man I try to change and be a good boy, you know. People. Rosealee accused the man, say man want bust off the bracelet with Akeem by him. You see me I say? So here we go on. We are gonna run through the intro, my people. We not chat too long on the intro. Or now in the video we just gonna run through that one here quick and fast. You know what I mean? We have Swiftly a chat some mix up. You know what I mean? First time we hear Swiftly a chat mix up. We have cute boss of Candy Wow, some kind of words of encouragement. Cause right now Candy Wow says she want to do herself like what Trish do himself. You know what I mean? Although we don't know what really going on with Trish. You see me I say? Candy Wall says she want to end it all. She tired of the life where she has lived. You know what I mean? So we are getting at that. We have Ivany, we have Rosealee, we have a bunch of things to share with people. I don't know if I left out no name, but if I left out no name, I go see it in the video. So yeah, we are gonna get in it, you know, my people, quick and fast.
Yo, Jesus Christ, man.
Put on the money gun chat!
Guys, me a Christian. Thank you, Minty. Thank you so much, beautiful. This my church is over here, so I tell me every Sunday I come to church. No, Joe?
What is your old germs that?
Who, me?
Yeah.
Not every time, sometime.
Bitter. No, auntie.
Bumbaras clat, man.
No, I'm on TikTok, you know? Got the man up on TikTok.
Listen, if I want to delete the app right now, I will delete the app. I will come off.
That's sorry for me.
Jesus Christ.
Me not really my cup of tea.
You know, me not have to be your tea. Me can be your porridge. Relax, how many cards?
Me not feel the aura.
Why, John? That means nothing no good then.
Akeem Mr. Straight and him ready for class him and black him.
Black him now, no?
No, when I want black man.
No.
Actually like him. That's why I would want to black him.
But me like you.
Nobody like me.
You can't stop that. You can't stop that. You can't stop that, Rosealee. You can't stop that. You can't stop it. Me already like you already. You can't stop it. Rosealee, give him a chance. Me feel so too. Me feel so too.
Who a chance? You?
Me, yeah, me feel so too.
I'm like 20,000 you want from here, but me not buy fuck, you know. I buy cocky.
Rose, Bill, man. So,
Me not buy wood.
Rose, Bill, man.
Me not buy wood, I live with a man. Me not buy wood, I not buy a man.
Wow.
Any boy when me I give me a thing for one boy, me I get something from.
Can't get love in return, you know, sweetie.
You know why you love me? Me infatuate. Me really love people because me a Gemini. I'm sorry for me.
What I'm telling you, you can't change my mind for you, Rosealee, no matter what you say. You can't change my mind.
Nobody come at me because you know my type.
Rosealee, no care what you say, you can't change my mind for you. May I tell you the truth?
You're really my type.
Wow. Me nah back down, me nah give up the truth. Why me nah give up? She know me like her, the truth. Oh, you believe in her sign? Rosealee, I pay a nice thing that's over here, and I'm feel like say you have to turn on.
All we have to do
Some of you nasty from to marry.
all we have to do and talk and say you can't your mouth minds. Focus shot. One Michelle big up, you can't your mouth minds.
What's up out your mother, Matty can go on by the business. We don't care about that. That's a girl alone.
Hey, super chat.
Yeah, man, only that I love bring down woman. So, go down out your mother. First of all, I don't like him and come in. Don't come over here, come in none. Make your girl then come in. Go down out your mother, boy. Don't tell me none. Block him. You can't come over here, come this way. Go down out your mother. Yes, I'm man. You come over here, start trying to this woman.
You know, you have to tell me some pussy stay so. I'm a pocket stay so. You know, I got a TikTok money. Come here, run down face boy. And young man.
Rosealee.
Hold on, I keep
Rosealee, hear me now, Rosealee. Hear me now.
Oh, yes, for Simon. you see me Akeem in a things.
Me think everything I prank. I never know some serious thing.
Serious something.
So Rosealee, some all of me love for me, I feel like I'm just gone, so.
Yeah, me and my date are serious something.
No, me have to come to Jamaica.
I like how Akeem treat me like a lady. He treat me like a lady. If you have some of that, you want to take a picture of Akeem book and go treat every that treat.
Listen to. As far as
that treat them like a lady publisher.
No, as bad as thing, babe. I watch the two of them and I figure out something too, you know.
And?
Yeah, me I gonna be a better person, man.
When?
Right now, starting from now.
When?
From now.
One Akeem on the app. Me not disturb what if nobody on the app.
Yeah, no,
this is walk and flirt. Me not can't work out you. Could I like you, but
Really don't take a serious a prank. Rosealee, stop ramp with me. Stop ramp with me. Don't take a serious a prank. A prank, see that? Rosealee, why you come over here so prank and I make more serious thing? Why you want to take my mind away from me?
what kind of prank?
Either everybody has a prank.
Not a prank about me, could I prank about the boy? What's the matter?
So you
Boy, you have to prank with me.
I don't know if you have more than one boyfriend. Say no, I don't know if you have more than one boyfriend.
You know why you? I'm in a mind man. I keep some enough of mine, man. Let me give me all more, I'm enough for work. So I don't know what I do with you. And then cut me so it go. Triple yard chat. Chat triple. Chat focus on the money gun there. We can't take our time and go up there. Come on, chat. You know why you? Yeah, broke fire now. We got the blood clot broke fire now. Cool, and you can't send me.
But 100% broke, you know. You know, everybody have a little moment. Just get me a time to them. I don't want to think broke. I'm not for broke.
We don't want to broke fire now. Yeah, broke fire now.
No, I'm not 100% broke still now.
Every time Dyema come look for you, can't buy our ticket. Where?
Rosealee, remember somebody just I found out that time there.
I can't put me have. You don't want to hold those spam.
No, can't buy a ticket now, you know.
What does that for me? Come send me a lion.
Rosealee, the lion with the
man, I'm not sending no money, go get. What?
Never send a lion.
Send it now.
Rosealee, me at the I'm going to send it no. I mean, they like live, but it's.
If I send the lion, I'm going to dump Akeem.
Just like that.
Just like that.
They're going to send a TikTok universe.
I dump him.
Rosealee, make sure you don't ramp with me.
You not play with him?
Rosealee.
So Willie want to mash up Rosealee relationship because the man where Rosealee there with fame, ex-woman. Boy, I tell our people, yo, Willie, love the man. You see me? And even if you get with that the man, remember say GX did the same way. You know what I mean? People tell more the thing. Willie is a bitter ex.
Willie!
Chat on the ear! Chat on the ear! Chat on the ear! I like she tell. She not left that the boy.
Did you treat Dyema with a time where I make a blood clot trick you?
No, who like a chick?
I just said me black you. I don't know so me argue. If you treat Dyema with that trick you, but die face.
No. No cigar.
You could trick me. You have a trick in a blood clot worse, you know me have holy pack cloud.
Guys, you know, say, for true, me just make a page right this and send her universe.
I'm sorry for me coming up, come here hungry. I have money I'm trying to buy my food.
No, you say you forget, I left.
If Dyema spend out 20,000 per year, you know, so that universe, I mean, you're going to send come give you, who tell me hungry?
No, she block me. She block me.
The boy, I do, but...
No, she block me, I'm going to send her universe. Yeah?
Like, you take my spirit, I don't like my spirit to be irritated. Who call me name to the boy, though, God? Who does him come with my belly in my hand? I call Akeem and tell me want Chinese food.
You know that you know?
But I have a man.
No, I want all that video see him with.
But I'm sorry for me. I call my boo.
Remember I don't say Rosealee?
I'm sorry for me. So I can't call him your son. Oh, him number, they be delete it?
Yes.
Let me delete the boy number.
Good thing that so. Let me get all that done for him.
Delete the boy OC number. I'm gonna change your name.
So Rosealee, me just can't buy my friend local lunch.
Hey boo, what's up? I'm feeling for Chinese food today. I think I want shrimp fried rice and sweet and sour chicken. Can I have it, babe? Let me get you my device.
Of course, sure. Send me a cash app, I got you.
I'm feeling for Chinese food today. I think I want shrimp fried rice and sweet and sour chicken. Can I have it, babe? What the face?
Why you want a blood clot? Reject me get over here to pussy clot. Reject like a blood clot. Rosealee, let me just reject you. No, you know. Rosealee, it's the same person I say, yo. Guys, 21 somebody. No, 21 somebody. Guys, come on, get that speed. 21 person. Come on, chat. I mean, I buy you lunch today. Now tell them. You couldn't see it.
I can never buy diamond in one rose. Where?
Me I buy a lunch too.
That's not for me.
Guys, 21 person, come on, catch a 3 times. Guys, come on, chat, catch a 3 times, chat. Come on, chat, catch a triple.
Me don't want to broke fire now.
Rosealee, sometimes you have to make a good change in life. Me I change in life. Rosealee, me I tell some change, man. Guys, come on, 3 more from my catch speed. 3 more person, catch speed, no? Chat, come on.
Look at medication.
Chat, come on.
Yes, you're alone.
Yeah.
General, that's not black droning. Pick up yourself.
Yeah, we used to know.
I feel like mom make a difference. I feel like I'm going to buy it.
That's not for me.
No, Rosealee, you mean by surfer, Rosealee? What do you mean by surfer? So why we can't be nice to?
No, you'll be nice to me, cause you know my cup of tea.
Rosealee, me not be your cup of tea. Me can't be your rice.
My shirt, no?
It's alright.
I'm tell you why you can't be my cup of tea.
Yeah.
Number one, me not feel the aura, me not feel the energy. You talk too much. Me like man, I love chat, you know.
The Rosealee, even talk to you over here, so you want to come over here and just look on you?
I keep doing smile to me. I him do the step and the scream at us. But that me like, you know my you chat too much. But I love chat. We could see a cute smile where you have. You chat too much. You try too hard. Let me notice you. I mean, I walk up man out there, but my barring again. You didn't have it, no man, I come here so. Like, my baby stepping and I'm off like, it turns me on, you know? You have a car?
You have a bicycle?
You don't want to walk foot, man. You know, it's a hard time, yeah, when sun at a road, as daylight sun at.
Listen, I don't talk with you. I don't talk with you. I'm smiling. I don't talk with you. I can't smile.
We need some scores. Ooh, you know a shooter?
Yeah, from this morning.
I'm your combo, big man. I can't with a man a blood clot come out. We ever stop get blood clot pressure, we are pressure like blood clot cold foot. The blood clot here too. Them say we get in a blood clot kind of you're frightened, you're fucking ugly like a sin. Yeah, come but everybody's blood clot. Yeah, I'm just trying to take mine skin them that I say. So what me blood clots, you come back, you want to let us do it. Don't take mines and give them, you gotta take yours so you have a blood clot. Hey! Just somebody come about me tonight.
Don't stop believe the fuck with my ear.
Must ever fuck papa me a fuck back by you. When I left that beach with Akeem, and that's why you say, Ray, how if you want to go fuck at your hood?
Exactly.
We want to go fuck at your hood, but not trying to kill a girl. That's why from my back, from my come from the beach, my back a scratch stream. Yeah, my back has blood clash from I come from beach. But if I ever have the slightest, I'll listen. Just a blood clot, tell you, big man. Yeah. I wanted to do with me. You got sense, you're a bad boy. You got sense, you're a bad blood clot. You know, must know which brother get a blood clot sent from. Bad over me.
See you are start, yeah, my people. As me say, me not chat much. I could go and watch and listen to people because, boy, me feel like, say, GX, me not feel like, me know, say, GX a try to be a better man. Listen how the man a talk to Rosealee people. The man a feel the pressure. What me say?
Ball over me.
You're right. You're right, Joker.
Ball over me.
Oh yeah, shooting for.
You're right.
Me can't buy Jordan.
June.
Me never meet
Me
me
never
before.
argue with you over no mediocre fucker, yeah?
The way I argue for. Can I tell them say with people?
Who tell you that?
Me?
But that fact, what even want who tell you that? Which part them say them see me?
Me never tell you that.
Say them say
Where you did there? Anyway, you come out and go let them see you.
That's
In a corner, yeah.
in a corner
Yep.
with girl.
And the people them say, my love, my dear. It's sweet, yeah.
Sick your blood.
Are you blood clot sick?
Are the people them sick?
Are you sick? You know, take my money gear and stab you up your blood clot tree. Over your hard.
Every year something. Every year.
You can't take up my one this year. The vibes are broke, you never want to do it from blood clot morning. Remember people say and tell me now when I see them I frighten, you know, so. Yeah. Yes, come remember you lie like sure. Move liar. Remember pure lie you tell.
What can you move like that?
You move liar.
So you are what?
Me?
Yeah.
Me?
Yeah.
Me? Me you talk about?
Yeah.
Me? You want to tell you a lie yet?
And me I tell you lie. So me I tell you lie and the people I tell the truth.
Me always be believe people over here, you know that I
Yeah, of course.
Not the way I said, I believe you, you know. So no matter waste your time to say it.
I never say.
I don't know what to come in here. You're rushing here to grab me? You're rushing here to grab me?
Watch this now. Watch this now. As me saying up. Oi, yo. As me say.
Papa off
your bum buck. Oi. Even if you work, you want to paint my picture, that's the way I always do.
Papa breast
What the fuck? I'm going to ask Clark the fuck.
Okay.
Papa, which piece is that for your hand?
But you want to put my hand?
So now I was going to pay your hand?
What you say?
I never always want to pay your hand.
Me I grab my hand despicably.
Despicably?
Yeah.
What is despicably?
What you say?
What is despicably?
What you say?
But I never always go to your hand. I always want to pay your hand.
I want to blood killer like this. May I broke my hand, please?
Oi. No matter what you want to find an excuse to go do your badness.
You're squeezing my hand.
So whatever you're bad people, remember.
Me if I find I'm going to do my badness, I want the blood clot this. You know for me and big man. Come on, what kind of excuse
so
you
mean
want
by me I grab your hand like more?
But you grabbing up on my hand like
more papa for bracelet. What you mean by that? That's some mama man clown out in the pan.
Let off on my hand. Thank you.
The Maya from last night.
What's that laugh?
I laugh. I want to put my like you want to pop it off. You been a laugh with them? You want to put my like you want to pop off my blood clot and I may ball you out. Somebody please call 9111. Yeah, me know you pop off my blood clot and I pop broke me hand. Come here, lock you up today. All of them Oreo are semi request. Me no Oreo semi request. Some request Oreo. Like you want to pop off the braces off from my blood clot and.
Hey, I saw when woman find new man, you know, them find all different type of problem and issue, you know. Jakes just touch Rosealee look a while and Rosealee said the man want pop off in and you know. Boy, me I tell you people, because what's some more judge I'm sorry for Jakes and people. And Rosealee have man a palaver, you know, and Jakes I get the problem and Rosealee I create the problem with Jakes and I do nothing, you know. Boy, me I tell you people, me sorry for Jakes. Jaja. Justice for Jakes people, the type that in the comment section. Ja no star.
Just say my booby by me. Thank you. Oh shit. Oh god. Oh shit. Tired. Them people who are some requests don't send me none, please. My braces. Akeem, alright. Yeah, but my man, I wonder what.
Show me, go show you him. Happy mama, you know me ever about Akeem. I want Akeem on the app. One Akeem on the app, Rosie. Now go around you. My have up your man. I love where it make you feel, mama.
How it make me feel?
What you mean? You say you glow, mama?
I left my soul left Akeem a cause contention in my life.
No, we are going to beg over Bacchus corner, mama. Bacchus corner not go like that.
You never think about, yeah.
No, more. You know, we have your back lock over here.
I think me can't do this no more because I'm not going to pop off. I get your man by my Jordan and the things and I can't work with them the story. Nah, left. I soon come again. Love and love alone. Try to try. We can't do this no more, try to have to run away. Yo, man, buy with this man, buy with blood clot that I can't buy Jayden and put on my foot. It's all ugly Jake's out harder. It's all Jake's ugly. The blood clot reason. I'm not too look a bit on too much. What girl? What to you?
Why me say me girl? You can't tell her what happened to me last night.
What to you?
I said last night me day broke, you know.
Myself no crack.
Nobody pussy clad cook. Nobody blood clad cook. Cause me alone are dead for hungry. Are you me and you are the one that put them out dead for hungry? You go like say you cook fight now, but if you put them you cook. Go to my blood clot vision. But you know you not cook. You not benefit your pussy clot with them. Come out of my vision. It's so ugly. Why we are go? But you not cook. What the fuck that have to do with me? Me not feel your love. Me want to feel it. Your bumbo clot but cook. But you can go buy food on the road. So fucking ugly. But you not buy a cook. You not for blood clot cook. Me tired of your cooking. You are spitting on your food. We not cook food for love. When food cook with love is nice. You have cook the food with better contention and peer gum and pit. Kind of no over pot of peer pit. Like if you don't cook tonight, me I go drop down. I don't cook tomorrow, me I drop down. We can't cook, you know. We can blood clad cook. Me can't wake up and do my thing. Me can't cook rice and peas and chicken. Or some stroupies if me want some stroupies. Or me can't cook Axel, me go Google it. Fuck you, you're cooking. I ain't not spend time for cooking blood clot food neither. Where I take some food for man? Me can't bother you know. Cute. Don't send me no voice message. Don't send me no message. Don't send me no nobody message me. Nobody message me a blood clot. Me can't cook. Me sit down and go. Me can't cook soup. Please come cook it already. I enjoy me cooking. Can me cook with love. Curry chicken. Show chicken. Me not start cook oxtail yet. I'm gonna do all my blood clot. I go Google it. Google how to cook it. Money me go Google it. All of them are warrior where I send me request. No send me no request. Me I go black or no. No one about the seminar request. So I want to go in a match. I could this one of them come blood clot save me. And Natalie and two other people. I say no seminar request. As when you see over here for no one send request come from but don't send me no request. Don't send me no blood clot request. Yeah, combo like my freed. Them boy man buy my Jayden like they can't blood clot by Jayden. Man buy a Jayden. Man buy a Jayden like me can't buy blood clot Jayden. Can't buy Jayden. And just the thoughts that matter. I mean, Akeem never meet maybe your foot. So when I take things on blood clot people, kind of a fucking thing you have a problem with. And the man over here catch. Everything you have a blood clot problem with. And oh man by your person.
People, tell me what you think in the comment section as me say I run through this, so let me know what you think. I watch some more.
I think when I get me can blood clot afford it. Now what I give me my broken paparazzi, I mean I call on him phone and tell him say my blood clot hungry every 3 seconds. I'm so sad chat to him too. I'm the next blood clot one. Nobody cook, you know? Nobody cook, I mean, you're poisoning the food. The way you spit in it and give me, nobody cook. Afraid of you, know. Afraid of them. I'm afraid of you, because you're wicked. All I have done for blood clot, you about me not cook, don't cook. Don't cook and the food stop cook with love. The food stop cook with feelings. Up here feelings I use and cook a blood clot pot. Pure feelings I use and cook a pot. Pure feelings I use and cook a pot. Tap cook. You know, sit down and spend time and cook. If Akeem come now and start the live and you cook the food salt or bitterish. Alright.
Dude, stop them fuck with your brother for your life. Stop it. You hear?
You not at the time cooking food with love. You not cooking food with no love. You don't love me again, you know, you don't love me long, you don't love me, you know. And the amount of ball, my ball up for blood clot, you're so raw, ugly. Big. Can't sit down and ride. So if I hold no argument.
Figure it out, breathe and run left and not mind him.
Let me see you, because my cousin, I know the blood strain.
Come. Come here now. Nah, come.
I figure it out.
People know what you that girl lie.
Yeah.
Of course.
That she say.
I'm here to tell life. You left
Baby sound like him for true.
Of course, me not tell no lie. Seriously.
Baby sound like him.
So I want to tell him
Figure it out.
Go mind the picnickers are back to school now.
Bumbo clad.
Use the triple.
Figure it out. The money where and diamond make. Remember say little baby there from over to school.
Now tell me nothing.
Who that in the hotel with you?
She hardly sleep in here. Tell me I tell another. That's a weird.
So what's the reason for that?
When I go to ball, when I go hurt in our jungle, Arima.
What's the reason for you want to take your own life, Candy? Me
ask Uno. When
we don't must ball for you. We don't must ball for you. And where they go hurt you for you? What you mean by what for ball for you? You're a famous girl, you're a top girl in the road. All when I want teeth left in your mouth, you're a top girl.
And the boy say me a shit house, me a dog.
Me a shit house too, and me a dog too. After you alone, you're the only shit house here. Candy, as much as you're real long time, you no fuck more on me. The two of we are two shit house.
One Candy.
You see me, I go kill myself.
We love you.
You see me, I go take my life, Candy. Me a shit house too, Candy. What is this? Candy, let me tell you something. You're not going through nothing. No make no man lower your self-esteem and tell you about your shit house and your dog shit. Candy, are you for wake up out of this way you're in? You're shape good, pretty girl. And nothing where I do you right now, and nothing where unfixable. Everything where I happen to you can fix. Everything where happen to you, just that everybody come ride your energy and use you.
Yes.
Everybody use your energy,
So
ride
that's
your
what
energy.
I do me half a blood clot do. Coming on the energy now.
You know how far you could have done in a life if genuine people did there on you? Nobody genuine never there on you. Everybody come use you and ride your energy and you're a good girl. You're a good girl and everybody come use you and ride your energy. That doesn't mean that the world is a bad place and good people in it, Candy. You can't give up.
Me not tell me that. I don't do it already. I go and park or rent a room every night. So I just tired of this. So one day I not a blood clot here. I'll dip on media.
Candy,
No
this
more.
is not you talking. This is the devil talking through you. Candy, you allow the devil to take control of you. This is not you talking, Candy, because me know you personally. And this is not you talking, you're a happy soul. Why you gonna allow the devil now to take you over? Candy, fight the devil. When you get them thoughts then and you head them bad thoughts, say tell Candy, say devil move, Satan move. Candy, you know much people over the world love you? You know much people over the world love you, Candy? Candy, you're top girl, stop make some people ride your energy and make you feel like you is nothing. Candy, you're everything and more. A people validation, you see? You don't want nobody validation, Candy. You're top girl. All when you're not trend, all when your name not call. Candy, all if you take your own life and you're gone, your name can't stop call, Candy. Because you're naturally funny. You're an asset to this world, Candy. Wake up out of this where you're in. What the fuck you do to yourself, girl? Candy, wake up out of this where you're in. You're a nice girl. Nothing do you. All it takes to be comfortable is money right now in this world. Because that's what money do, comfort people. At least it comfort some. Candy, nothing do you, nothing for you, not unfixable. Everything for you can fix with money. It's just that all of the help them where you get for fix and nothing to do is because the wrong set of people them there around you ride your energy, Candy. Nobody no wants to see the best version of you. Them just come use your energy for feed them selfish reason. But well, Candy, you're not done. You're not done, you're no idiot. You can't monitor yourself. Candy, the only steering you need right now is the people carry you. Look about a bank book, make you control your own money, and them need to stop ride your energy. Them need to stop ride your energy, them suck your energy and chase your cloud till nothing now go on for you and put you to this now. Candy, you mad? Anyway, water run one time, it will run again. Candy, you are still the person you are. Candy, you are still the person that you are. You are still that funny Candy where everybody love. All you have to do is rise again. All you have to do is rise again, Candy. That's all it takes. No make nobody lower your self-esteem. The whole world love you, Candy. Candy, go show her some love. Jump the fence. Candy, stop. Candy, stop. Candy, stop. Hey, pretty girl, take the phone from her.
My people, you see right now, Candy cannot go through the worst thing in her life, you know, and I go do what she says she I go do, you know, but nobody now listen, nobody now pay attention, nobody no business, because too much people come over TikTok and come say this and come say that, and when we check it out, a prank, you know what I mean? So she cannot go through things and people now look on her because too much prank run on TikTok for likes. You see what I say? So I don't want to think with people. We'll watch some more.
Candy, stop this. Life no stop you, so Candy. Candy, I know you so life stop. Man is not an accomplishment. Man is no achievement, Candy. You have to love yourself.
It's up me.
It no stop, Candy. You are still the Candy. You are still the Candy. Everybody know. Life no stop.
Can't happy. So people are just sad no. They want happy, make you happy. So everybody have to buy what them for buy the deals.
Candy, what does it take to make you happy? Answer me, Candy. Me I have reason. What does it take to make you happy at this moment? Why are you so sad? What is causing the problem? Is it the man? Because you and the man left for that you worry about. Tell me the truth, Candy, so me can know where for. What happened? Pretty girl in the room, what happened to her?
Yeah. Just tired of my later one people just buy them car and just do what they want to do. See, I'm not gonna use me and do the things yeah. Go ahead, just I'm buying a bumble cloth here. She did tell her on this never a she not wait on her. See it, or make sure the people with a bumble cloth things. See, so much days can go out of this.
Everybody that rides your energy is doing good except for you, Candy. So this is time for you to choose yourself, Candy.
No more time for no. I'm telling you that. Yeah? Now, we say, Sash? Not even know.
Let's see black bag in there. I'm gonna do with my lighter. This is a minor depression. This is a minor depression due to lack of love. It's a minor depression where easy to fix because all Candy is seeking is love. All Candy I cry out for is love.
Such more special.
You couldn't notice.
No more umbrella. I see I eat the food and you wake up. That's what I want to. Your buy special, that is special. Such me I keep your money. No good, no one. No good, no one, no good.
Chatuna na use this mark that.
No one tell him happy birthday.
Yeah, she depressed. It's not easy for in a world when nobody not care for you, you know. So it is not easy when you are in a world with nobody caring for you. Sometimes the internet will push out help in terms of money and give you money, send you money. But let me tell you something. Financial help does not fix emotional distress. When you are emotionally depressed and emotionally distressed, financial help cannot fix that. It only is a detour then. It detour you for a minute. You know, the financial help will only detour you for a minute, but then it goes right back to the reality of you being emotionally depressed. Because in all honesty, nobody really cares about this girl. She not tell me which part she there. Nobody really care about Candy. All them do is use Candy energy for true. Everybody come and everybody just use her energy. Yeah, well, Queen, Candy, me can't tell us that Candy stress is not about material things. Because if you look at how Candy lifestyle go, everybody come use Candy. Candy don't even care about the money. Sometimes when everybody help Candy, and Candy get the help. A peer up Candy get. Candy not get the help. Candy needs emotional help, but nobody really care.
Some people, them say comparison are the stealer of all joy. So look like the candy a compare for yourself to the rest of people them on TikTok will make it and look like say them a enjoy for them life and true she now have what them have, you know what I mean, and the light now shine pan she like them. She feel some type of way and true she don't go through her man problem or something. You know what I mean? All of them things they kinda add up. You see it, but she have to know say yo, as her life said. You know what I mean? She have to go through a rough time and if she feel and everybody are gonna make it in her life, you know, and she have to understand that also. So make me know what to think with people or what some more.
Everybody, and then Candy a seek love. So she seek love from man and then she go and get worse a damage. It's like Candy is here on her own. Candy no fussy, so it can't be material stress. She don't want me come see her silver, so it don't make no sense.
Hello, hallelujah. Thank you, G. Chat. Me no want to eat from none of them. The four of them are four beautiful females, ambitious. But some ambitious more than some and have more than some. So me no really want to. Me want to be on the safe side with me and my friend. Princess. Cece. Them say don't put Mika in it, cause Mika have a man. So him name Fantastic Tree. Mika, no. Mika chat me. Cece, Queenie, and KK. Blood clot. Green girl gone 42. Princess are 17. Blood clot. I see the people them say when. Chat only but only can't pick for the man lucky. Hey, come. Me I go put in some next work on the dial. Me so talk to no back chat. Come, tomorrow we have to go finish this. See, me ain't even chat tomorrow. Me I call him. I ask him what go on a John shop. Me I only chat tomorrow. Me I only have to chat tomorrow. A Sunday mix up nice. Offering time church. Offering time. Only send me to a galaxy before me leave. Mrs. CC. CC, so you look money you can send him friend to a galaxy. Holding stone, not a minute, holding stone. Oh, Jezebel, oh, nice meter, holding stone, not a minute, holding stone. Oh, Jezebel, oh, nasty nigga, holding stone. Holding stone, not a minute, holding stone. Me and one girl who chat straight up Switzerland. Anything me I tell them I chat straight up Switzerland. Me dear. Me have green. That one I have green card. Me love. Bring with you and be with you and bloody y'all. Where she have bleaching cream and visa and little I need. Me body. Bubble for money and them me money. Bubble for money and them money. Take it. Me balls. What can go so? See you are wicked, this wicked. She laughing in the chat. All of a sudden, everybody has such person a friend. All of a sudden, everybody is friend. Me no fool. Me can't jump but him no fool of blood clot. send you one message say, you might have a belly over your front, but me say pussy tight. I mean, you say CC have green card and she have rope clutches, but no cocky now go in there. Man, I'm mad over her. One boy over here, me can't call him name. Me say the one down, me say the one down, Jamaica, the British. Good things always need shelter. Me say the British. She boom different. Me say when she a boom different so like a basketball. Fair booms them different and she not ass. Bubble for money and them out your body. Jesus Christ. Me say when she a bubble for body and them more money, all the money gone. Tell DJ me I call her for 1 minute. Tell DJ me I call her for 1 minute. Tell her. What are you? Me I say a princess a lead. We see somebody comment and say green card.
But the next one a warrior, the next one a mad girl, cause she takes me one with a bag of rain, you know?
Where now? I may say, bubble for money and I'm out your money. Bring down, say ugly 2 times 2. Say eat back, crocky like me, boy.
Come down here the part there.
Yeah, me see, you don't see?
No.
Alright, my people. Tell me what you think in the comment section. We'll run through the rest of this.
Me been asleep all day. But me get 3 minute voice note and 5 minute when me not start listen to yet. Cause me afraid, you know, me afraid.
Me dear.
But me, if you give me name Fantastic Four.
What the game?
So I make it to tell your friend.
Me? This is the ball bomb body. British. Bloody hell.
So what you thinking if you do?
Why? Me say the voice note I'm telling him say. Me say me can't pick you because I'm in Jesus Christ. You have to sit down and think about what you think going to Ray. Nah, me see baby girl a crush out today, no?
A mad girl, you know? When you get it, me get it too, you know?
I mean, I said, do.
I don't have nobody feeling bubble pants, so I don't understand how me ever get it.
Me put pan, me part where me I keep October 10, me go put pan the gate, candy not allowed. Car,
worries in the dance, worries tonight, party a mash up.
Me hear him tell, what she name, they say the queen say, the British say, I'm an Arab.
And that you drunk, you say?
In the new X4.
Then hold on. But you can't put up that panic flyer.
You want to have a party?
Now we gonna make everybody jump up. You don't feel like right? Yeah, we gonna have security guard non-stop. Everybody 4 each.
And here, look one now. What's your name, the British one, boy? As I see him, I'm gonna jump on him.
I mean, no candy, because something not for somebody.
Yes, you know. As I see him, bloody hell, I gotta jump on him. What's up, dear?
My love. One in the comment section, but come here. But that friend, you know. Who are we friend, you know? green card kind of so good.
Me don't know.
What you think? As a friend.
You not say me.
Who said that just now? Sweetly, what make you say that?
Who said that?
And you said that a while ago. So make you do it. My love, I never me say it.
One of four of them like me. Me don't want nobody hate me.
One big happy family. If possibly.
When mama come in the green card, you know, so the whole come in put out such person. They put up one poll and the whole poll say ABC. Them not reach okay yet. Them stop at ABC.
Why?
Cause watch out, me go say me I bring princess. Mama comment and say green card foot and put exclamatory sign. You know what that mean? The rest of them can't fly. Chord.
Them dead. But why it looks serious? This is a very serious situation.
And what you mean is what you mean him attack him say such person put up beating pan status. Such person show be shades for him. Him say she a do her thing and him a do the same thing. No dear. Hear him now? We tell him say dress up. We say dress up act like yeah, just dress up.
Yeah, let's dress up. Girl dead, be a dead girl. Girl just a drop some.
We say mama put on one blood clot wig today and jog alive and bring him down to the lowest decimal point. We go check the comments. See when the comments phenomenal doing see ya? Favor idiot. What's up with the laugh? What's up? Hey, come here. Me are here. Mika. Comment and say green card 2. Green card 2.
Bumbo clot. But look no boy, it's a sticky situation. Cause the green card sound good, the bubble pan body, like when girl bubble pan it body. The British one, what purpose she serve?
Right here. The
complexion. Maybe you want somebody brown for power with.
No, I'm not complexion. A bleaching cream. Them said British a visa and bleaching cream. Me not
you don't see a bleaching cream for you.
Me don't know from madams. Them say a bleaching cream and visa. They want give me everything the whole rundown.
The one that can't stay.
Me not bring nobody. Me not bring nobody with you.
Who said that? Who said that? Just officially why you said that?
Yes, you know what it is? The man them like people not have nothing. You see one them have things, the man them not look on that one day. The man them look on the things them we can't bump and cocky good. So me see me don't know if that one them I got
oh, you more the money part, go.
I need more money too.
I'm looking hard, you know. Then you tell me say friend come a friend just have him up and down and you more money.
That's a serious lie.
Yeah, call him out here, so be here. Why them people a baga star? Why them people a baga star? Them baga eat?
Now call him.
Call him, ask him.
Where's the answer? What does it take, Siri?
The chat them and say he's rollers.
Nika say he must sleep. Oh, she know that.
Me just buy food for my line. So you call the answer sweet.
Oh, jump. Right there. See that call it jump. Urgent, your man.
Urgent.
I set me up, DJ.
Nobody not set you up as sweetly I call you. And about nothing, about yarn in friendship. Call him back.
Oh. No, that means him have me as a set-up friend. Me dear.
My dear. she say me can know about the man, me can say the man asleep, my love.
What a pill. Nah, come me dear, come say me I set him up.
The one that no look serious at all.
Well, me go and go sleep. Around billing you. Oh, them say I play a game.
That's what happened when you F too much.
Don't F at all though.
Can you do my makeup?
Yeah. What color? Purple at the top.
You ready?
Alright, so see, Ivany and this youth are gone back together, and I just saw the day before yesterday or yesterday them in hot water, wicked. You saw me I say, so when tell me what you think if you don't feel like say I prank the people them, or I really think Ivany toxic, you know, we all know that. And them Yankee youth here, if you never know, you see most of them love the toxic girl them. You see it, so let me know what you think. We're gonna watch some more.
Right here.
Come, do my. You want a tea first?
Yeah, please. I'm fucked.
Wife material do these type of work, you know. A wife material do this type of job.
Give me the finger.
Now, I mean, I gotta make some tea for him.
Please give me the finger.
Girl, I know. Heavy around the back. baby, you can't tell me nothing. Hey. You can't tell me. Okay, I'm gonna make King some tea. First, you get the cup. You get some ginger. Ginger is finished, so we gotta go with raspberry leaf tea. You get this, and you open this, pour it in there. Pour it in there. Then you're gonna get some sugar. You want to get some sugar, and you pour some sugar in the cup. Babe, you want raspberry tea? Yes.
What do you work?
It's raspberry.
That's why I see. Yeah, I just know the bottom of my stomach is hurting. So I don't know if they come out.
What you do? Somebody say text me. Make sure. Okay, so how you like your tea? Hot?
Yeah.
Okay. He says you want hot tea. See how it's told.
Hopefully this works. Know what I'm saying?
You never want to drink tea, so.
I always want to drink tea. I'm just saying though, like, hopefully this works and my shit.
I'm gonna get off in a second. That will make you bring up anything.
Oh my fucking god.
Hey, give God thanks. Hey,